After sending us to space, the designers of the Infinite Experience wanted to bring us back to Earth and portray something that is unique on our planet. When sunlight passes through the leaves of trees. We tried various options, including LCD screens, LED screens, projectors, but we concluded the best technology to use were projectors to recreate the sun rays shining down into the room softly. Because this experience was conceived to be a traveling one, we needed a device that required little to no calibration. One of the reasons why we chose the Epson laser projectors is because the lamps preserve the color grading and require the least possible maintenance. The other advantage of Epson laser projectors is they can use ultra-short throw lenses. These lenses are like a periscope that we put in front of the projector, but reflect the content behind the projector, and that creates a huge image within a very short distance.